Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Today, we're diving into the wild world of camping chairs, unveiling the ultimate companion for your outdoor escapades in 2024. Join us as we count down the top 5 portable camping folding chairs, meticulously tested and reviewed to ensure your comfort and convenience under the open skies. Get ready to elevate your outdoor experience with the best camping chair of the year. Let's get started. Number 5. The Vevor Camping Folding Chair is a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts, offering premium features that enhance comfort and convenience during your adventures. Crafted from 600D heat-resistant Oxford cloth, this chair is built to withstand even the most extreme outdoor conditions, ensuring durability and longevity. With a superior load capacity of 350 pounds, reinforced by thickened steel pipes and an X-shaped bracket, this chair provides unmatched stability and support. Its soft pearl cotton lining offers a plush seating experience, while the high backrest and stable armrests ensure optimal comfort and relaxation. Equipped with 3 storage bags, including a cup holder and cooler bag, you can conveniently store beverages, snacks, and other essentials while enjoying the great outdoors. Despite its robust build, this chair remains lightweight and portable, weighing just 13 pounds and featuring a quick 1-second folding mechanism for easy transport and storage. Constructed from powder-coated stainless steel and Oxford fabric, this chair boasts exceptional durability and resilience. With dimensions of 25.2 inches by 36.61 inches by 39.37 inches, it offers ample space for lounging and unwinding. Whether you're camping, picnicking, fishing, or simply enjoying a day at the beach, the Vevor Camping Folding Chair is your ultimate companion for outdoor leisure. Number 4. The Vevor Folding Camp Chair with footrest mesh is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort and convenience during their adventures. Constructed with durable fabric mesh on the back, this chair ensures breathability and odor prevention, keeping you cool and fresh even in warm weather conditions. Designed with adjustable heights, the chair offers 2 options for maximum comfort, adapting to your preference wherever you go. Its sturdy steel frame guarantees reliability, with metal contact points enhancing stability and supporting a weight capacity of up to 330 pounds. Compact and convenient, this folding camp chair features a built-in cup holder and a spacious storage bag, keeping your essentials close at hand for easy access whenever you need them. Versatile in its use, it's perfect for camping, fishing, or any outdoor activity, and can even serve as a comfortable nap chair in the office or garden. Made from high-quality 600D Oxford cloth and mesh fabric, this reclining chair is built to last. With fold dimensions of 18 by 18 by 89 centimeters and unfolded dimensions of 168 by 56 by 69 centimeters, it strikes the perfect balance between portability and comfort. Whether you're lounging by the campfire or enjoying a day at the beach, the Vevor Folding Camp Chair ensures relaxation wherever your adventures take you. Number 3. The Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Camping Chair offers the perfect blend of comfort, durability, and portability for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring cooling mesh fabric on the back, it provides excellent ventilation to keep you cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. The built-in mesh cup holder ensures your beverage is always within reach, enhancing your relaxation experience. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame, this chair supports up to 250 pounds, providing robust support for users of various sizes. Its adjustable arm heights offer personalized support, while the roomy 21.3-inch seat and comfortable 18.1-inch sitting height ensure ample space and relaxation. Compact and easy to transport, the chair folds up effortlessly to fit inside most car trunks, making it ideal for camping trips, picnics, and outdoor events. The included sling bag adds to its portability, allowing you to carry it with ease wherever your adventures take you. Backed by a 1-year limited warranty, the Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Camping Chair guarantees quality and reliability. Whether you're lounging at the beach or gathered around the campfire, this chair is your perfect companion for outdoor relaxation. Number 2. The Kajaro Dual Lock Chair is a game-changer in outdoor seating, offering unparalleled comfort and convenience for all your adventures. Its unique locking feature ensures stability while you relax, with the ability to quickly fold up for effortless transport when it's time to move on. Crafted for comfort, this foldable chair boasts no-sag seating, durable diamond ripstop polyester, and breathable mesh on the seat back, providing a comfortable and breathable experience even during extended periods of use. Portable and versatile, these camp chairs are perfect for tailgating, camping, or cheering on your favorite sports teams. With a weight capacity of up to 300 pounds, they are sturdy and reliable, allowing you to enjoy outdoor activities with confidence. Loaded with convenient features, including 2 cup holders, an organizer with zip and mesh pockets, a carry strap attached to the chair, and a carry bag, this chair ensures you have everything you need within reach. Measuring 26 inches in diameter, 35.4 inches in width, and 37 inches in height, the Kajaro Dual Lock Chair offers ample space for relaxation. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or enjoying a backyard barbecue, this chair is your ultimate companion for outdoor comfort. Number 1. The GCI Outdoor Rocker Camping Chair redefines outdoor relaxation with its innovative design and superior construction. This portable folding chair effortlessly folds compactly for easy storage and transportation, making it perfect for camping trips, outdoor concerts, or simply lounging in your backyard. Crafted with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, this chair can support up to 250 pounds with ease. Soft armrests, a convenient phone pocket, and a built-in beverage holder add to its functionality, ensuring you have everything you need within arm's reach. The patented spring-action rocking technology sets this chair apart, allowing it to rock smoothly on most outdoor surfaces. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, attending a sporting event, or simply relaxing in your backyard, this rocking chair provides unparalleled comfort and relaxation. With a simple setup and smooth opening and closing mechanism, this chair is incredibly easy to use. It also features a convenient carry strap for hassle-free transportation. Measuring 27.2 by 32.5 by 31.7 inches when open and folding down to just 5.9 by 7.9 by 39 inches, this folding lawn chair strikes the perfect balance between portability and comfort. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the GCI Outdoor Rocker Camping Chair is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts seeking ultimate relaxation in any setting.